Trading became much easier when I realized this. Now I've been trading for almost 9 years, and it took me almost 4 years to become profitable, but it would have taken me a fraction of the time had I known what I'm about to share with you. You need to stop looking for these A-plus trade setups. This is literally the worst advice that gets spread around in the trading industry. Because when you think of trading like this, what you're doing is you're placing the expectation if you wait and do all the homework that you're going to get winning trades. Your job and your only job as a trader is to find opportunities and evaluate risk around them. Let's take a look at some of the world's biggest investment firms for an example of what I mean. The firms that are the most profitable are VC or venture capitalist firms. And in case you don't know what this means, it is firms that take very high risk to reward investments, and they take a lot of them, knowing that they are going to lose a lot of the time. However, whenever they win huge. Now, I'm not telling you that you have to have a 10 or 20% win rate, but I'm also telling you that having an 80% win rate is very unlikely, and chasing this is going to cause you to miss out on a tremendous amount of opportunities, and more importantly, it's going to cause you to form a lot of bad habits and a bad mindset about trading overall. Because when you do this, you place such an importance on winning the trade, and you don't even think about making money. Everybody just wants to talk about win rate. Win rate doesn't really matter that much, right? Like, you need to focus on how much money do you make whenever you are right, and how much money do you lose whenever you're wrong. And this can be done by, yes, sometimes you'll have an A-plus trade, you risk heavier on that trade, and you go for a lower risk to reward. But a lot of the times, my best trades are trades where I look at the market and I have some confluences to take a trade, but it's very aggressive. I also look at the market and say, okay, well, I can see a huge move happening, but I'm not like 100% sold on it. So I'll throw out a feeler position and then scale into that trade. And this is how a lot of the money that I make is made. And this is some of the stuff that nobody ever told me whenever I was trading, because a lot of these gurus, they want to sell you a course. So they want to sound, all professional, like, you're fucking Yoda or something. You're going to just catch the perfect trade every time. It's just not real. It's not practical. And a lot of advice like this is created from a mentor, we'll say a mentor that wants to get people to buy their little Discord. And it's really sick and evil when you think about it, because this same advice is the reason that a lot of people are unprofitable, because in this age of social media, most people get information from these kind of people. And this is why most traders aren't profitable. It's not because you're stupid or because you're a bad trader. It's because the information that you're getting completely sets the wrong perspective that you need in order to be successful, and it sets you up for failure. If you want to get more practical, no bullshit advice, go ahead and follow me.